everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Welcome to our Gua Sha facial massage with hands for healthy, glowing skin. No tools required. Look younger and glow naturally. Let's begin.
Wow!
First, prep your clean skin with your favorite facial oil, serum, moisturizer, or cream. With clean hands, we're going to do 2 swipes per section. We're going to start from our neck area. Place one hand for leverage, and with the other, we're going to sweep up and wiggle to release tension. One more. Release. Switch. We'll do the same thing. One hand for leverage, the other to sweep up, wiggle to release. One more. Release. Now we're going to the center of our neck here, like so. We're going to sweep up, like this, and wiggle to release tension at the hairline. One more, like this. Sweep up, like so. Release. Now we're going to do the sides here. Imagine that you have 2 Gua Sha tools, like this. Sweep up, like so. And wiggle at the edge like so. And one more. Like so. Release. Now we're going to do under our chin and sweep down towards our collarbone for lymphatic drainage. Like so. Sweeping up and drain like so. That's 1. 2. Switch, same thing, like this. Second. Release. Now we're going to use our hand like this and work under our chin, our jawline, and also our lower face here, like this. Holding like so. Sweep up. Wiggle. One more. Sweeping up. And wiggle. Release. Now we'll do the other side. Same thing, like so. Sweeping up. Wiggle. One more. Like so. Release. Now we're going to work on our lower face as well as our marionette lines here, like this. Like so, sweeping up, wiggle to release. One more. Like so. Release. Switch, same thing, like so. Like this. Release. One more. Release. Now we're going to focus on our upper face here. Like this, place one hand for leverage and we're going to sweep up like so, like this, and wiggle at the edge. One more. Release. Switch. We'll do the same thing. One hand for leverage and the other we're going to sweep up like so. One more. Release. Now we're going to do a full facelift here, like this. Like so. 1, 2. Release. Now we're going to do my favorite move here. We're going to work in outer and inner layer. Like this, we're going to sweep up and sweep outwards like so, so there's no wrinkling. Release. One more. Like so. Release. Now we'll do the inner layer here, like this. One more. Release. Switch. We'll do the same thing in outer and inner layer, like this. One more. Release. Inner layer. So. One more. Release. Now we're going to work the sides of our nose here, like this. That's 1. That's 2. Now we're going to work our eye area. Really be gentle here with your eyes. We're going to place one hand for leverage, and like so, we're going to work under the eyes like so, and apply acupressure on your temples. One more, like this, sweeping it up, and wiggle for acupressure. Now we're going to upper eye here, like this, same thing, like so. Sweep up, and wiggle. One more, like so. Wiggle at the edge. Release. Switch, we'll do the same thing, like so. One hand for leverage, and the other sweep up, and wiggle for acupressure. One more, like this. Release. Now we'll do the upper eye here, same thing, like this. And wiggle for acupressure. One more, so, and wiggle for acupressure here. Release. Now we're going to work on our forehead area in inner, middle, and outer layer, like this. Lifting up, wiggle, the middle, the outer. One more, inner, middle, and outer. Release. Now we're going to release the frown lines here. We're going to place one hand for leverage, the other, like so. Sweep up and outwards. Switch, same thing. Releasing frown lines. Release. Now we're going to sweep up and outwards, like so. Release. Now we're going to do a final lymphatic drainage towards your heart. For this, we'll do more than two, like this. Switch, same thing. Release. Roll your shoulders back and down. Come back to your posture, your breath. Release. Great job, you're amazing. Do this 1 to 2 times per day for 7 days, and you will notice positive changes. Others will notice too. As always, consistency equals results. You will see even more results when you have fun and enjoy yourself while doing this. Here's my tip to achieve healthy, glowing skin naturally. I truly believe that healthy, glowing skin starts from within. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend incorporating fermented foods in your diet. I love eating sauerkraut, pickles, kimchi, yogurt, for example. I don't eat them every meal, every day. It's all about moderation. As long as you incorporate fermented foods in your repertoire of what you eat in your diet, this will help improve your microbiome. And when your microbiome is healthier, your skin will look healthier, more glowy, and more youthful. If you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join our membership. I love to hear your feedback. If you have any video requests or questions, let me know in the comments below. You can find all of my current favorite products, including our merch, in the description below. Mahalo for watching and following along. Shine bright and stay hydrated, my beautiful Lémore lovelies.